cricket stadium has been a scenic beauty, and so is both the teams. Good drive from Durga, and that goes through to the covers. A deep extra cover for a boundary. Another one. Yeah, Durga wanted that touch. He did not bat for 4 matches and 4 extra seconds. And I'll tell you what that 4 extra seconds is, Saibra, because when he came out to bat, the bowler missed his run-up. So he had to go back again and made Durga wait. But you know what? He went off the mark.
The blind women and men cricketers. Our focus is on women cricket because they should participate in the upcoming World Cup in November. It's all set. One girl by name Abby, she personally came down, spent about a month and learned cricket. She has gone down.
Come back, he scored a half century. Then we saw Dinesh Ratwa playing really well. Then of course Sonu Rawat, yeah, wonderful revelation from him. Yesterday it has gone in the books of the experimentation books of Durga Rao. It's come out nicely. And today see Lal Prasad Soren. He's been promoted up the order and he's doing really well. And another boundary. Good drive, a deep extra cover. India move on to 68. But coming back to that good headache thought. Now when you have likes of Nakul Patnaik, Sukram Manji, Dunna Venkateswar Rao coming back in. What is that team meeting going to be with the selectors and the captain?
Yeah, I think they are testing
for his services. And yeah, we have some good ambassadors of the game. Good reverse from Lal Prasad Soren. That's a third boundary of the over towards backward of point. Lavande Bidla, he's just bowling to the strength of Lal Prasad Soren here. He's bowling quickly and he's bowling wide of that leg stump, wide of the off stump. And Lal Prasad is just picking his spots and gaps. Yeah, and speak of Ajay Reddy, speak of, Jai Prakash Ramaya. They're all very good ambassadors. Oh, good shot. Bad ball, and he's been punished here. Bhusle Bidla bowling wide down the leg side, and Lal Prasad Soren waits for it and hits it behind the keeper. There you go. Big booming bat that comes down in no time, and that fine leg region is definitely vacant. Khoza not able to cut it out. Lal Prasad Soren now gets it over that mid-off region. Boundary again. Moves to 40. Nice drive down the ground. And he really wants to finish this in a big hurry for sure. Yeah, because the cloud formation is getting a little denser now over the ground. Does not want that to be an interruption in the 5th T20I. It's always been a situation where we have escaped the rain. Good shot. That's in the gap. And Durga Rao is getting another boundary with that one. Towards that deep backward of square leg region. Good shot. Good timing. 100 on the board for India. And just went towards the direction of the ball. Drives it very nicely towards deep extra cover. Good shot. Good shot for the boundary, and was wide outside the leg stump. Big shot coming in. Lal Prasad Soren with that boundary. Lal Prasad Soren reaches a half century, his first in the international colours. Durga Rao pushing him up the order, trying to get that experience going in for Lal Prasad Soren as an opener, and he's done real big justice for his captain. 50 for him with that boundary. His first one, and many more to come as well. He's not hung around. And he celebrates that 50 with another nice looking cover drive through the covers. And nothing too wrong with the ball. It was just been bowled a hint wide outside the off stump. That's it. Big bat lift and a nice drive towards covers for a 4. Try and get the opportunity to perform. Big shot in the gap and will be a boundary as well towards that deep square leg region. Durga Rao says, okay, let's get on and try and finish this match as early as possible. That was bowled really wide down the leg side. He had to just pierce the field at backward of square leg and square leg. A very good attempt from Siawuya comes. Diketso, the B1 bowler, has been inducted into the attack, and a good shot from Durga Rao. behind that square leg region, and another boundary for him. Very good timing. India is going out there and making a big statement once again, winning this completely 5-0. Goes down on one leg and swivels across very, very swiftly. Right out there. Beautiful looking trophy as well. Lined up nicely and drives it through towards that long on region. Boundary to end the 12th. Ten runs more for India to finish this final T20I. Big shot. That's what Durga Rao wanted. That width outside the off stump. Drives towards that long off region boundary. And with that boundary, the Indian captain reaches his half century as well. Good knock in the centre. And he's batting for the first time in this tournament. Guide those upcoming players. And that's a good shot. Once again, driving it at free will towards that long off region. Once again, Durga Rao. Just 2 to get now for India.